Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. My name is Peggy, or Grandma, and my granddaughter,
Mary-Jane.
What are we doing today?
We're making kitty litter cake.
A kitty litter cake, one that you can eat. But to make it so it doesn't gross people out at a party, if you have it out on the table with all the treats, I recommend that you, of course, buy a new container for a kitty litter box. Leave the label on, and then you're going to have a kitty litter scoop, dollar store, man. Leave it on, because by the time we're done, it's gonna look like we're dipping into the kitty litter, and this just kind of helps people get over that. It's for Halloween. Okay, we're back. So let's get this done. We're making a kitty litter cake. Can't have Halloween party without one, right? So what we need, normally you would use a full white cake and a full chocolate cake, but let's be real. This is just Mary Jane, Andy, and I, and maybe there's some people coming over. I don't know. I think so. Not a lot. But do we need more than a full cake? No, we don't, because we don't need to eat it all, do we? No. So what we're going to do is have some fun. Freshly washed.
I really want to tell them the flavors.
What?
I want to tell them the actual flavors because
Okay, what is the actual flavor?
this is French vanilla and we have devil's food.
See, I wasn't going to tell you that, so I'm glad you did.
The best flavor.
Ready? There's your half. Our hands have been freshly scrubbed. I made sure. She even asked why. Here, over top, do what I'm doing, okay?
So
She's never made this.
it?
Just loose chunks like that, okay? But not like big ones like this.
Do I just like break
just-
it in half first?
Sure, just grab a piece and just kind of break it up, right? You're allowed to have some clumps, but not a lot. Like, I don't want that whole thing in there. We try to just, you'll see why later as we go. So we're using half the white cake and half the chocolate. And we did use a cake mix because time is of the essence.
I want to eat this so bad.
Oh, you will be eating this so bad. It's going to gross you out a little bit. But you know what's in it because you're making it. And you know how sometimes at school they say they're having a party, you can bring something? This would be a cool thing to bring.
Oh yeah.
Because kids would be grossed out, loving it because it's gross, right? That makes it even more fun, doesn't it?
My classmates don't like gross stuff. One time there was a spider and we all screamed.
That's different. That's real. This is pretend. That would be my
Can I
oven.
break out the other half?
Yep, that's yours. That would be the oven. We have it preheated at 350 degrees because with kitty litter,
You need some dookies.
some dookies,
Yeah,
What
they're
it-
called poopies.
poops. And we have a Tootsie Roll over there. And I have it on parchment paper, ripped into hunks. And, excuse me, we're going to show you how to make that into some nice, delicious looking, need to change your kitty litter things. So then we take the chocolate. Same amount as whatever you use for the white. So if you do a whole cake, then use the whole cake for each color, okay? It'll all come out in the end. So we're just crumbling here. Let me just lift it and show them. Once the cakes are made, it's just the building. And the building of is so much fun. Wash the kids' hands and let them get into it. Because as it
I just scrambled the whole
goes,
Do I get that one?
yeah, sure do. As it gets built and starts looking more like a kitty litter, it's more... I served this at a shower.
A shower?
Yeah, put it on the buffet table, and there were some people that didn't know us there, and you could see them in the lineup going to the food table like, so I had to whisper to them, it's not real. It's I love screwing with people's heads.
I legit just took a bit of the vanilla.
I saw. Food is fun, guys. You should make it more fun for the family as well. Okay, so we have the base to our litter here.
Yeah.
What to do now is add, now this is a full package of instant vanilla pudding. Because it's only half a recipe, I don't expect we're going to need the whole thing. Otherwise, I would dump the whole thing in and just continue. So this is our moisture maker. Moisture maker. I'm going to put my hands in this mess. I don't think you'll like the feeling.
Ooh, that sounds weird. No.
So we'll put that much. We'll reserve this. If we need it, we need it. I can't remember when I did the full cake recipe if I used 2 or not. I also made this in the retirement home in October. One of the residents there had his birthday in October, and they always had a birthday cake in the dining room for everybody. So I made this, and oh my, there's nothing more fun than 30 or so seniors in a retirement home when you present them with a kitty litter cake. They giggled like kids. It was magic. It was beautiful. It was just awesome. So we put in just enough of the pudding that when you put it in, and you can kind of, it forms a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay? Next, we set this aside for just a minute. It's building. It's starting to look disgusting. Now, the fun part.
It's a double. Look at that.
Yeah. We're just going to crunch these up as best we can by hand. You can also put them in a baggie and do it with a rolling pin. In fact, I think that's careful. I think that's how I did it years ago, but again, pressed for time. We have a lot on the go today, don't we, Sweet Pea?
Yes, we do.
I wanted to get this recipe out for you guys because I know the Halloween parties are going to start soon. You can make sure that you're using ingredients that don't include peanuts. If there's people, maybe your child's bringing a cake to school, or you know, the peanut allergy thing. You all know about that. I don't. My kids are out of school, so it's my grandchildren that are dealing with it now. Nice crumbles, right?
Yeah, I've got. There's 3 more bars, so I'm just still crumbling. You just bring out pieces and then crumble them, okay?
Oh, well, I like to do it fully, just one shot, so you don't miss nothing. Just a nice fine crunch. You're still going to see some pieces of cookie, but we're trying to get it so you kind of can't.
Ooh.
Isn't this
little
cool?
cream in the middle makes it.
It's a moisture maker. It's going to help the cake moisten up too, because there's no icing on this cake. So we need the pudding and we need the, oh, I guess I should have showed you. These are cookie wafers that were dollar store. Everything is from the dollar store, guys.
Dollar stores.
Okay. Oh, maybe they'll put Walmart out of business. That would make me happy.
Oh my.
I don't know how much we need because it's a half recipe, right? So we're going to stir this in.
I want to try mixing.
You want to mix? Good. I'll do this one. Do a rough mix in there.
So just rough, don't do good copies?
Well, you want to keep it chunky because it is litter. You want it to look like litter.
So if I pound it and it still makes a chunk, that's good?
Can you see cookie wafer in there?
Yeah.
You want to destroy those as much as you can. Okay, that's good. That's good because we don't want to turn it all into a powder.
So what do I do with this now?
Leave it there. I'm going to be using it shortly for this.
It's another
So kitty litter.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I only see blue crystals, but we're going to do a different color.
We're doing green. Green just shows up better.
Then
So, I don't know if I'm even in camera. I'm just crunching up more of those cookies. Again, I think I did too
more
much.
These. I want to take a bite.
Because I'm used to doing the whole recipe.
Yummy. I ate one.
Okay. Good job, we scrubbed our, we scrubbed. Scrub. Now, I don't generally like using food coloring. I did get the food grade food, of course it's food grade food coloring. I try to buy the organic. It's hard to find. So hard to find.
But I mean, this is cake, so does it have to be
But
organic?
I think the only times I use food coloring in my life is for this. And I think there's one recipe at Christmas. But other than that,
It would be red and green.
I don't really use it. It's not good for you, eh? It's horrible for you.
No, it's not good.
So we mix the food coloring
We get little crystals and little clumps of
into
glitter.
here.
Because I can see it looks like actual litter. If you ask me, I'm a kitty expert. I have 3 cats at home.
She does.
And I look at the litter.
Well, you should.
Well,
You
I
should.
do,
It's
because I'm
gross, but you should look at their litter because.
I'm like, Mom, you need to clean this. There is
Wait.
a
Why is Mom cleaning it?
That I don't know how yet.
Oh dear, I'm gonna show you some videos on YouTube.
I don't
So
want to clean
we
litter.
put our crystals into the litter.
Ta-da.
I'm gonna put half in on the top, and I'm gonna just stir those around lightly, just lightly. I don't want to lose too much of our light colored.
I'm literally eating on video right now.
I know. And then you put more on the top. Now what's it looking? How's it looking?
Delicious.
Okay, so
Show them.
We're not done. We're not done. We're gonna break here and get the next ingredient. There we go. We just realized you guys didn't get to see inside.
I knew that the whole time.
Oh, I should listen to you. So there we go. It's starting to look pretty.
It smells good.
But what's it looking like?
Kitty litter.
I know, eh?
With little small bits of buried,
You'll see. Next, coming out of the
Yellow,
oven,
and
is
then-
the most critical part of this cake.
It's got little bits of yellow. And I'm not going to say what that's supposed to be.
Good job.
Appropriate.
One of those long Tootsie Rolls. Typically, you'd put it in the microwave for just a little zap, and it would just cool it enough to keep its shape. But I won't allow a microwave in my house. Personal reasons. So we're used the oven. It melted a little bit too much, but that's okay. We know it's warm. We have to be careful. So we're just kind of making shapes. Put it in there, mix it up with a little bit of the crumb, and just have a few because a dirty kitty litter box always has something on the lip, right?
Normally, sometimes, yeah.
So just kind of make some poops like this, and
This one's not as hot.
set them in on top of the.
Oh, it's cold in there.
Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna tip it so you can see. So we're just gonna put them in strategically. Or haphazardly, because cats don't use strategy when they poop. Roll them up. Be imaginative. I don't know what cat poop looks like really because I don't have a cat. I guess some would be curled. Maybe there'd be some loggy type ones, right?
I'm gonna do a real one.
Oh, that's gross. Do any of them look like that?
Normally, yeah. They
Normally?
look like
Maybe just throw some kitty litter crumbs on it.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. They're cooling down too quick. And then just put it in the kitty litter. And we will show you the inside of our litter.
So that's what they normally look like.
Oh, people, if you didn't
They're
know,
mixing.
we're almost done.
Wait, already?
And you can put as little or as much doo-doo as you want in there. You almost done there, baby? Oh, that's good. You got it mixed with the green crystals. And we'll just, I want that one right there. Maybe smear it a little on the side if it'll stick. There.
Yeah, I feel like I did here.
So there we have it.
It's already hard.
Ready? Here we have it. Happy Halloween. Great for a buffet table. Oh, and when you display it, I don't have any because we just had a burn barrel. Newsprint. Put your newspaper down on the table. Reserve some of the green crystal and just kind of toss it around the outside of the newspaper. Set this down on it and leave it like Move your hand, please.
Okay.
Don't play with the poop.
Yeah, but I'm
Leave
sorry.
it like this to serve on the table. Effects are amazing, especially on newsprint with a little bit of the crumble, you know, spilt around the newspaper. Maybe a poop hanging on it. Depends on how dirty the kitty litter box is, right?
Yeah.
Remember to please share the videos. It helps us, it helps our channel immensely. Please, if you haven't already, do subscribe. Consider subscribing and joining us. Remember to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed and ring the bell
Ding, ding, ding.
so you don't miss what?
A video.
A video. Have a great weekend, guys, and we'll see you soon.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
So how do we do this? Are we going to just jump in and enjoy
Yeah.
this? Do we wait until Grampy Grandpa comes back in the house?
We wait for him and then we enjoy it.
Okay, so we're going to
What's
wrap
that?
it and put it in the fridge for now because it is a cake. Okay.
What was that?